going on, guys? Sam with Sam's Man Tree Stairs. My new trailer came in. Why did we order a new trailer? Well, I had a nice Diamond C trailer. Problem was, Diamond C trailer was not engineered right, if you ask me. The flatbed platform was no longer useful for us because our new mini skids are going to be bigger, so it's not going to fit. And then the axles were too small of a rating for what we were doing. So we were going to blow those axles out very soon. So I said, you know what, just selling this freaking thing. So why did we go with this brand? So we went from supposedly the cream of the crop, Diamond C, and everyone says, oh, Texas Pride is cheaper. Yeah, it is cheaper. Diamond C quoted me $54,000 for the same exact trailer. Texas Pride, I paid $32,000 for. What is this trailer? So this is a heavy trailer. They recommend, this is their over 30,000 GVW trailer. This is not recommended for light duty applications. This is throw whatever the hell you want in it and don't worry. Nothing, some guys on my Facebook were yelling at me, nothing we do in tree work is light. Nothing's light duty. Especially how the direction we want to go into. We're not doing nothing light duty. So some of the things I like, and well, hold on, let's go over the trailer itself. It's a 20-foot dump trailer, 2 hydraulic hoists or cylinders. They do not make this trailer without that setup. You cannot get this in scissor lift. You cannot get this in telescopic. This with this frame and this axles and whatnot. I have 2 hydraulic jacks. 1 hydraulic jack's great. It puts a lot of stress on it for when this thing's fully loaded. You really want the 2. And the hand cranks, if you guys buy your guys' hand crank jacks, you hate your guys and you don't like your guys. The hydraulics will keep your guys a little bit fresher every day. We have 18 ply tires with 2 15,000-pound axles. These are electric brakes. They're not as good as the electric over hydraulic, but they're a little bit less finicky, I've been told. We do not have a spreader gate. We have a dual latching gate, so each door locks on its own. Some companies, Diamond C, requires 1 lock for both doors. Not that good. It is a deck over, so we have the full, I think it's 8, maybe 8.5 feet. Maybe. I'm not sure about that half. D-rings, 6 of them. The doors hinge really cool. Oh, well, I'll show you that later. So we got the tires, got the jacks. Oh, the sidewalls, these are almost 1/4 inch steel. They're the one size below 1/4 inch. It's like, I don't know. It's under 1/4 inch. It's right under 1/4 inch steel. So, and then we have 12-inch centers. This costs a lot more. Not a lot more, but we have 12-inch centers instead of the regular 16s. So this thing's heavy duty. We don't do anything light. We're dropping logs in here. Why would you go with anything? No. This is going to be the last trailer I buy until it's time to buy a new one. And it's not because it's going to break. It's just because it's going to be too old. Like me. I'm old. LOL. So some of the things I like that Texas Pride has done, and especially compared to Diamond C. Diamond C makes a hell of a trailer. I'm not just sitting here bashing Diamond C, but everyone gets upset when Diamond C falls short. Diamond C quoted me $54,000 for the same exact trailer, just in their brand. Texas Pride, I paid $32,000 for this. So, yeah. So what? I mean, it's a trailer. It's going to get beat up the first day you use it. Cream of the crop, paying the top of the blah, 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 for the name, whatever. But here's what I will show you some the things that Diamond C did not do for me that Texas Pride did. We have 2 batteries on this system. Texas Pride does not give you 2 batteries on their big dump trailers. We have that. Okay, so that's kind of important. I mean, it's not the end-all, kill-all. We do have the double locks. That's important on a dump trailer, if you ask me. And then Diamond C did not give me door latches. So, like, I could not support these doors up at all on my Diamond C. I had to go buy hooks and splice rope to the sides. These come standard, and these are sweet. That's how you lock the door. So that's awesome. So obviously you pay a little bit for the Diamond C stuff. Like, the one thing I did like about Diamond C a lot is they're one piece walls. So like this wall would come down in one piece and fold right here, and they'd have this wall come down and fold all the way over to here and overlap. That was a really good thing that they did. This brand does not do that. So there's lots of welds, you know, whatever. That's how almost every company does it, is weld the floor side by side. That's pretty much how every single company does it. Is this not as good? No, I'd rather have the solid floor. Is this gonna haul logs and dirt and wood chips and firewood? Absolutely. Is this gonna last as long as the Diamond C? Probably. And if it doesn't, it's probably a minuscule amount that's non-measurable. What else do we have? So the few things I do notice, though, some of the welds are not as nice. Yeah, they're not quite as nice on the stuff that doesn't. I mean, if this weld ever broke and you needed to fix it, it's not a big deal. Same with like this or these things up here. It's not a big deal. I will tell you though, the frame welds look great. That's a solid weld. That's a solid weld. That's a solid weld. These look great. So they might put a little bit more experienced welders or priority on the structural welds versus kind of the, those are easily fixed. So, yeah, I like this thing, guys. Oh, my other gripe. Here's another gripe I got with this, and that's it. I'm not bashing them. They seem to make a good trailer, and their service was phenomenal. They're factory direct, so Texas Pride doesn't have like dealers. They're factory direct. So I've been talking to my salesman Gus, and he answers the phone whenever he can. He's very professional, knows everything about pretty much anything, and he sends me quotes over lickety split. So the only other thing I didn't like, these ramps, they look pretty heavy duty. They're very heavy, and that's a steel ramp, I get it, but they're too short. If I put these on here, I don't think I'm going to be able to get my mini skid up there. I don't think I'm going to be able to get a track loader up there or an excavator. I don't know really what those are going to do for me on this trailer. This trailer is slightly taller. My mini skid does feed this trailer off the side flawlessly. That's another thing. Some companies advertise their low pro dumps. Oh, they're so much better, they're so low, and this and that. Honestly, guys, this trailer has another 4 inches high sides, and I honestly think it's about the same height. It's not, I mean, I don't think that 4-inch high side makes a difference. So with this, the overall height of the trailer is very similar to my Diamond C, to be honest. So, my old Diamond C. Oh, they have steps. They came free with steps, so that's cool. So, whatever. I like this trailer, guys. It's a big investment, but it's gonna haul whatever I want. Everyone's like, oh, Class A, Class A. Guess what? Got my Class A. So, who cares? Haul it. Haul it. We did a whole silver maple today. We filled up my chip truck, 40-yard chip truck full of brush, and we filled this up. We still have a few more spaces to go in here. Drove it to the dump, dumped, fine, no problem. So, and it rides very nice. It rides very, very nice. The axles are spread out more than my Diamond C was, so that helps so much. Spread the load. The trailer tongue is more narrow than my Diamond C, so you could really jackknife this more. And it's not very top heavy. Everyone thinks it's top heavy. You got heavy axles, heavy rams under there. You got a heavy bottom frame. You got all that weight down there. I guarantee you this frame and bed this frame weighs way more than that bed. So, yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. I've been waiting on, oh, here's the kicker. Diamond C is over a year out on their trailers. I called and had this trailer built 2 weeks ago, and it's here now. I've been waiting on it for a while. Not from them, but I've been waiting on pulling the trigger on one of these for a while. I pulled the trigger 2 weeks ago. The trailer is here at my house from Texas in 2 weeks. 2 weeks. They built this custom. They don't make these all the time. These are like a special order.